Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to get pictures back after deleting them on iPhone. If you've accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone, don't worry. There are several ways to recover them. Here are a few methods you can try. Number 1. Check the recently deleted album. When you delete photos from your iPhone, they are moved to a recently deleted album. This album keeps your deleted photos for 30 days before permanently deleting them. So if it hasn't been more than 30 days since you deleted the photos, you can recover them from this album. To do this, open the Photos app on your iPhone and tap on Albums. Then, scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you'll find all the photos you've deleted in the last 30 days. To recover them, simply select the photos you want to keep and tap on Recover. Number 2. Use iCloud Photos. If you have iCloud Photos turned on, your deleted photos might be available in the recently deleted album on iCloud. To check this, log in to iCloud.com on your computer and click on Photos. Then click on the recently deleted album and see if your deleted photos are there. If they are, select the photos you want to recover and click on Recover. Number 3. Use a third-party data recovery tool. If the above methods don't work, you can use a third-party data recovery tool like Easys MobiSaver or Dr. Phone. These tools can recover deleted photos from your iPhone even if they've been permanently deleted. To use these tools, connect your iPhone to your computer and run the software. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your device for deleted photos and recover them. If none of the above methods work, you can contact Apple support for further assistance. They may be able to help you recover your deleted photos or suggest other options. In the future, it's a good idea to regularly back up your iPhone and enable the Optimize iPhone Storage option in iCloud Photos. This will automatically manage your photo library and free up space on your iPhone without deleting your photos. Thank you for watching.